Hey guys, welcome back to Shockproof Living. I wanted to show you these connectors here that are used to splice Romex wire. I wanted to redo this video. The other video I did had a lot of background noise and people actually wanted to see it in use. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together so you guys can see it. This connector here can be used inside walls, concealed in the attic, in the walls, anywhere. I mean, even if your Romex is damaged somewhere and it's it's got a cut or an animal bit into it or whatever, you can go ahead and cut this and add this splice kit without having to replace all that Romex. Also, it's good if you're, you want to extend or add some lights. You can go ahead and attach it, extend your wire. You won't have to redo that whole circuit. You don't have to redo that whole line again. You can just tap from here. They also make it in a T tap where you got you couple them together and then you can add another. You can tap off it as well. Let's go ahead and put this one together. All right, here's the instructions. Pretty much you gotta strip your wires in this orientation right there. And then we clamp it with some channel locks, and then you put them together. But let's go ahead and do it so you can see exactly how it's going to look. Let's get our pieces together. All right, so we're gonna strip some of this Romex. Off. Let's go ahead and cut the plastic covering. Try to get it pretty even. All right, so now if we look at this connector here, let's see if you can see it right there. We got white, green, black, and red. In this case, we don't have a red. We just won't use that one. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our wires and line them up. So it's gonna sit right here. So we're gonna bend our wires. Straighten this one a little more. All right, that's pretty close. That's pretty lined up there with the tabs. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them. Just like that, so that it sits just like that. All right, once you get that, we're going to get our plastic piece, which is this one. This is going to be going in this, just like this, smooth side on top. These clips are going to attach to this plastic. So we're going to line up our wires. We're going to set this on top. Gonna set it on top. gonna squeeze. As you can see, the wires are right on the tabs. We're going ahead and squeeze it just like it's showing in the instructions. See, the instructions are showing here. So we're gonna squeeze it with the channel locks. So we're gonna squeeze it right on top of the wire there. Squeeze, squeeze. Let's do this side. Squeeze, squeeze. You don't need to strip it because these teeth right there will pierce the insulation. So you don't need to strip it. We're just going to line up our colors, line up the wires, squeeze it in, and right, that'll pierce the insulation. We're going to turn it around. We're going to insert the 2 screws. Those 2 holes right there. We're going to get our screwdriver. I think this screwdriver is too big. Lay it down flat. All right, that's our 1/2 right there. You can see how it ended up. We got our white with the white. Green would be the bare wire or green wire. In most cases, Romex is gonna have a bare wire. And then you got the black. Black, green, white. Just like it's shown right there. Everything is, this clip is engaged completely or fully seated. This clip is fully seated. It ain't gonna pull out. The screws will clamp the Romex in, won't let it pull out. And the teeth on those, on these things, pierce the insulation to get the contact. Now we're gonna build the other half. The other half, I'm just gonna use a piece of Romex I already had. And then we're gonna do the same thing. We got the white, the green, the black. They're gonna sit right there. We're gonna get our plastic piece. We're gonna set it right on top. Make sure we're all lined up. Make sure we're all lined up there, and then we're gonna give it a squeeze. And that pushes the wire right through the teeth. You don't gotta squeeze it that hard. They pierce right through. You know, you don't wanna squeeze it enough where you're breaking the plastic either. Just, it's a nice firm squeeze. Just make sure, you know, the clip is seated. And then now we're gonna put the 2 screws on this side as well. Both screws are in. And now all the final step is that you put these 2 together. You see, you got this side. See, they meet. It's just like a big plug. And you slide it together, squeeze it. You hear the click, and that's it. we have successfully spliced this piece of Romex on here. It's good for 12 through 14 gauge wire. You know, it's pretty useful, so you don't have to rewire something. You know, you can just repair it or splice. That's it. That's you know, the good thing is it's approved. It will pass inspection. It's allowed to be in the walls, concealed, or in attic spaces. There it is. Again, that's made from Polaris. You guys can see it right there. It's UL approved as well. Alright guys, you know, like and subscribe. Give me any feedback you like. Some ideas if you wanna let me know what you want to see done. Just like I had a comment, you know, somebody wanted to see it put together completely. And then there was a lot of noise in the background in my previous video, so I went ahead and did another one. That way you guys can get a better look at it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.